Hello, I'm a regular European investor and welcome to my channel. Before we go further, I'd like to mention that time is money and I value your time, so please watch this video in 1.25 playback. This episode series is dedicated to track and share my investment journey on a regular basis. It will be like a digital video investment diary, but hopefully you will find something useful here as well. Without further ado, let's dig deeper into November's performance overview. Structure that I will use in these video diaries or so-called investment journals can be broken down into these sections. Stock portfolio outcome, crypto outcome, real estate outcome, what I have learned, and next step further. For those who are watching my channel for the first time, I just want to mention that I currently use two types of trading platforms for my stock portfolio. One is in my local bank and second one is a Revolut application. I'm fully transparent with audience what I buy, sell and hold through my video content. If you would like to learn more about Revolut and its functionality, please check my video on that in the description below. So at the recording of this video, I own 29 different stocks. My top 3 performing stocks on the list are Cloudflare, DFDS and Apple. When it comes to worst performance, currently they are Occidental, Wingstop and AT&T. I'm not going into percentage of these company stocks as you can see it in the table here on the screen. I currently own both dividend and growth stocks, so let's dig deeper in dividends for the last month. It was 4 companies paying them out, which are Apple, AT&T, Verizon and Mastercard. You can see the amounts on the screen as well. As this is second video of the cycle, I can now compare it with last month's outcome, which is 773 euros. But once it comes to general outcome, as of today I am 23.65% profitable with a total stock portfolio value appreciation of 1,818 euros. If we dig deeper into stock sectors, unfortunately I admit that my stock portfolio is still not well diversified and the proportion is as per this chart. However, since the last month I have added new healthcare sector and increased the proportion of industrial, financial and energy stocks. If you want to learn more about 11 stock sectors and the historical data of their performance, please check my video in the description below. My current portfolio is mostly built out of tech, communication and consumer cyclical stock sectors. Okay, let's check how cryptocurrencies were performing last month. As you can see, I own just 3 of them. It is Bitcoin, Ethereum and Stellar Lumens. Bitcoin is still the leader, but the other 2 had massive gains last month. Same as per stock portfolio, I am comparing it with the last month and the gains were plus 532 euros, which is totally exceptional from my point of view. When we look at full picture, total crypto gains are just above 55%, and that is in less than half year period, so I'm very happy about it. And finally, but not least, my favorite investment portfolio asset class, real estate. I currently own 2 properties, but due to personal reasons, I currently live in one of them and see it as a liability rather than the asset. But I was renting both at some point of my life. If you want to learn more how I invest in real estate, how return on investment is calculated, the so-called out-of-pocket money and what are the strategies behind, check my video on real estate, which can be found in the description below. My first property was rented last month and generated a decent 450 euros rental income, which is just about average within my country for the specific characteristics. However, monthly rent price was decreased by 50 euros since the last month due to quarantine or lockdown situation. Once the lockdown is over, I will move back to regular 500 euros monthly rent. Let's see my favorite key performance indicator, which is fire meter. Basically it shows how much passive income should I earn on a regular basis in order to be able to retire early and achieve financial independence. So currently I am 35.6% towards my fire target. It decreased a bit due to reduction in my rental income, even though my stock portfolio has grown a bit. Final section of my video is what I have learned and what are my next steps further. So firstly, I deepened my knowledge about selling strategies. Secondly, increased my knowledge about portfolio trimming. Thirdly, deepened my knowledge about tax benefits. It is not much, but will help me to save 150 euros of taxes this year, so this is good. Lastly, I identified most valuable YouTube channels for future investment ideas. It is also time to mention my plans for December, so here it goes. I will continue to invest in stock portfolio and share it with my subscribers. I will perform some tax, fee and trimming related adjustments in my portfolio. As usual, I will be seeking for real estate investment opportunities, and lastly, continue to grow and improve this YouTube channel. So please share your feedback and ideas how can I provide a better quality of content. Thanks for watching, and just to remind, I'm not professional or licensed investor, so do not take my videos as an investment advice, please. Please subscribe and hit the like button if you're interested in investing and found this video useful. Thank you.